So for the past few videos, we've been using this new microphone instead of our usual Zoom what is this again? Zoom H1N microphone. And the reason why we changed to this new microphone is because we want to streamline some of our audio, and also we don't want to deal with rechargeable AA batteries. Yeah, our video guy knows this because it's very painful to manage batteries separately. So we got the Maono WM-820. So this is a dual microphone setup with a single receiver. So as you can see here, it says 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and inside the box we also get all of these cables. So audio cable camera, so it's TRS, and this one is a TRRS cable for your phone. Then this is a 1 to 3 USB Type-C cable for you to charge all 3 components at once. So yeah, it works. And then we also get 3 fur shields. I don't know why they call it fur shield, but this is a windsock dead cat. And then we also got 3 more of these foam balls for the lavalier microphone, which I am using right now actually. And then 1 more pouch, which we will also show you in a while. So let's begin to talk about this microphone today. So as mentioned earlier, this is the pouch that it comes in. So this pouch has 3 slots, so you can put your transmitter and receivers all on the top here. And then we got pouches right here. These are rubber band pouches, so you can stuff in all the cables. And inside this pouch, what we have currently is the phone audio cable. I'm not sure if this is gonna be useful since most phones don't even come with audio jack nowadays, but whatever, it's nice of them to include it. Then lavalier microphone, because the second transmitter that we have here is using another lavalier microphone from another microphone set. But yeah, just comes off like this. And this transmitter unit, you can see at the bottom here, you got a charging port, USB Type-C. At the side here, we got a power button. This is a mute button in the middle, and then 1 more is the synchronize button for you to synchronize with your receiver. And then at the top here, this is the microphone port if you want to use a lavalier microphone. So you just plug it in if you want to use it like this. And if you don't want to use that, that's also okay, because they have a built-in microphone right here. As you can see, these 2 gaps here is for you to clamp in the, what are they calling it again? Fur windshield, yes. So you can just clamp the dead cat in here. It's gonna be a bit difficult. Yeah, there you go. This is with the dead cat. And one good thing about Maono is that they included a lot of extras inside the box because they know you're gonna lose it. And I know I'm gonna lose it as well, because they give us triple dead cats and also 3 of these foam things for the microphone. So I want to move all of these and I want to focus on our previous microphone setup, which I'm also recording right now just to show you a comparison later in this video. So as you can see, we were using a Zoom H1N as an external recorder. This thing takes in AAA batteries. We're using IKEA Lada batteries because eco-friendly, and this thing here, battery is quite inconsistent, and it's also quite annoying because we have to connect it to our wireless lav microphone from last time. This is the Boya, I don't know what model is this, but it's using this kind of AA batteries. This is also IKEA Lada because environmental friendly. And one of the biggest pain point is to synchronize the battery level between these 3 devices. Actually 4. Sometimes we have to use double microphones. So our problem was that sometimes when we are recording using this Zoom H1N, maybe this battery died first before the microphones, and then we changed the Zoom H1N's battery, then the transmitter's battery died. It's just very annoying. So having a system like the Maono microphone will be real good because all 3 of them charges using USB Type-C, and it's also much faster, much more convenient. We don't have to deal with double or AAA batteries or to carry another battery charger with us if we want to go travel when we can go travel. So this is a much more streamlined solution. And also editing process is easier as well because we don't have to deal with an external recorder. Right now, I am recording audio by using the Maono microphone. The receiver is connected directly into the camera that you're watching right there. So editing process is also easier. I can just use the same audio track from the camera to edit it, and then I get good audio, like what you hear here. Compared to our Zoom H1N from last time, I think some of you guys did comment that the audio is a bit too compressed. Yeah, I can hear the difference right now, because when I put them side by side, like what you can hear now, the audio coming out of the H1N is just much more compressed after noise removal, audio level normalization and whatnot. Yeah. One more thing that I want to highlight when it comes to our audio setup with the Maono microphone is that we cannot separate the audio tracks between the two transmitters, because the Boya here has a special feature that we can separate one transmitter to be on the left channel and then another transmitter to be on the right channel. So that's good if we just want to isolate who's speaking onto the microphone. That feature is not available on the Maono, but I'm okay with it because it sounds good. So it takes a bit more editing creativity out of me. And in terms of pricing, the Maono microphone, this set right here for the WM-820 is priced at 699 ringgit. In my opinion, I think it's actually quite worth it considering the sound quality that it has, all of the features that it has to offer, and including all of the pouch, the conveniences, compared to our original setup here. Actually, this setup is also at about the same price, is that correct? Actually, it costs more. Even just the Zoom is like 500 something ringgit. I think this is quite economical in comparison.